Kia ora, this is Waihopa News. Ko Elise tuku ingoa, nau mai haere mai.
Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Māli tuku ingoa. We are your hosts for Thursday, Rāpere te toru. Listen up to find out what's going on at Waihopa School.
First up today are the daily notices. Thank you to everyone who brought in an item of food or money donation for the Pack the Bus cause. Young leaders will be around to collect all items before morning tea today. The Pack the Bus organisers will be here to pick it all up at 12 p.m.
Junior Kapa haka to meet in the hall straight after eating at lunchtime, please. Kira Alford, please be there.
Fitness in room 1 if it is not always lunchtime. Otherwise, room 1 will need to be there in their own room.
Senior Syndicate Jump Jam at 11:15 for those classes who would like to join in. Year 6s, please come to room 3 for haka practice instead.
That's all from us today. Ka kite anō popo.
Thank you for listening to our Pito Pito Kōrero.